Some people hear reggae and think sunshine, but for plenty souls, reggae was survival. Before they streamed them, before algorithm data, before any playlist did keep, reggae carry people through heartbreak, poverty, revolution, and lonely nights when hope feels far away. Music become medicine for people who never had words to explain them pain. If reggae ever hold you together during difficult times, stay with I and I. Because next time, we talk about the records that became medicine for entire generations.